Once he accustoms himself to wasting seed, it'll lead to other promiscuity. And the Gemara says even a horrific example that unfortunately is all too common in our generation. As we saw from the so-called leaders report from the Epstein case, whether it be the scientists or politicians or whoever is on the who's who list of pedophiles, says the Gemara, those who play with children delay the arrival of the Mashiach. What do you mean? Why were those that are playing with children, who are sporting with children, delaying the Mashiach? Because we're not referring to those that are playing with them like it's their parent and he's playing with them to have fun. We're referring to them, those sick people that are performing homosexual acts with children and they're pedophiles. They are delaying the arrival of Mashiach. And therefore, if you have someone in your community, in your school, in your yeshiva, in your church, in your synagogue, in your police force, in your apartment building, in wherever you are, that you know is a pedophile, that you know is causing damage to children, and you don't report it, you should know. In Shemaim, everyone is cursing you. Why? You're delaying the arrival of Mashiach for not reporting this pedophile. Wherever religion you are, whatever belief you have, our holy Torah is above everyone. And the Torah says, you defend pedophiles? You're so horrible, you're delaying the ultimate climax of the world, of sanctity of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, which is the arrival of Mashiach. You're delaying that. Why? You're defending the ultimate evil. Now, where did this evil all start? Where did this sick pedophile get his ideas? It all started with him violating the 10 commandments of Lo Tin'af. Lo Tin'af is not just don't commit adultery, don't commit promiscuity with others, but rather Lo Tin'af be'atzmecha bayadu baregel. Don't be a no'ef, don't be promiscuous with yourself, whether it's hand or leg.